The CSA transformation journey brings changes to culture and processes. Now, let us explore training CSA with the right tools. We design learning that scales, from instructor-led training to micro-learning, all tailored to how your teams work. Equip every team to recognize, assess, and mitigate risk, sustaining CSA excellence across quality, IT, and validation. Let CG empower your teams to adopt new strategies, processes, and ways of working that last. Drive adoption, turning knowledge into confidence and training into transformation. Start your CSA training journey today with Compliance Group.